So here we have a 2022 model year new +4 in Rolls-Royce Sapphire Blue Metallic, 16-inch stainless wheels, which is a temporary option that the factory allowed us. Normally they are 15-inch, mesh grille, Union Jack badges, paint film on the seals, quilted leather backs to the seats, glossed walnut dashboard and centre console, box weave black carpets, biscuit leather. Car's just had its first service and done 900 miles, and our current demonstrator available through Allon White Sports Cars. This has the 250 brake horsepower 2 litre turbo BMW engine, and as you can see, the latest spec with the slightly later hood cant rails, and it also benefits from the new Comfort Plus seats as well. Extremely attractive car. Weather's a bit gloomy today. And available for Allon White Sports Cars.